Yo, what if I told you there's a foldable phone in 2026 that actually makes you forget it's folding? Like, you open it up and the crease is basically gone. No more that annoying line staring back at you every time you watch a show or multitask. Dude, the OPPO Find N6 just dropped, and it's got me saying astonishing out loud when I first held it. But is it truly the one that finally nails the foldable dream? Or is it still just super close? Let's dive in. No hype, no BS, just real talk. Alright, so this is the OPPO Find N6, OPPO's latest book-style foldable that launched on March 17th, 2026, and hit stores globally starting March 20th. We're talking ultra-thin design, that near-zero crease, a beast of a 200MP Hasselblad camera setup, and a massive battery that actually lasts. In the US market, it's not officially launching here, which sucks for easy buying. You'd have to import it. Pricing starts around $1,450 to $1,900 depending on the config, 12 GB per 256 GB base up to 16 GB per 1 TB with satellite. But man, it's trending hard because it feels like OPPO finally pushed foldables way closer to perfection than anyone else right now. I'm going to give you the full no BS breakdown: design, performance, cameras, battery, the works. By the end, you'll know if this thing's worth chasing or if you should stick with what's easier to grab stateside. Pulling this out of the box feels premium as hell. Clean packaging, that signature OPPO attention to detail. You get the phone, a solid charger, some cables, and even the optional AI pen kit if you grab the higher bundle. The color I'm rocking? That blossom orange. It pops in real life, with a matte glass back that doesn't scream fingerprint magnet. Folded up, it's comfy in one hand. About 8.93 millimeters thick and 225 grams. Not the absolute lightest, but it doesn't feel bulky like older foldables. Open it up and boom, 4.21 millimeters thin when unfolded. The hinge feels buttery smooth, with a nice satisfying click when it locks flat. First touch on that inner screen? Dude, the crease is so subtle you almost have to hunt for it under certain angles and lighting. It's not 100% invisible, but it's the closest I've felt yet. Zero-Feel Crease isn't just marketing, it actually delivers. The build screams quality: solid aluminum frame, IP-rated protection against dust and water. It just feels like a flagship that happens to fold, not a gadget trying too hard. Pro tip for B-roll: slow-mo opening the hinge, close-up on the orange finish catching light, and your hand naturally gripping it one-handed. So what makes the Find N6 stand out? Here are the 3 things that genuinely change the game. First, that near creaseless inner display. At 8.12 inches, it's a mini tablet that feels flat and immersive. OPPO worked with new flex glass that's thicker but more elastic, so it springs back smoother. Compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Pixel 10 Pro Fold, this one makes you forget you're on a foldable way more often. Perfect for binge watching, reading, or splitting apps without that visual distraction. Second, the Hasselblad-tuned camera system. 200MP main sensor that pulls insane detail, a 50MP ultra-wide that grabs way more light than before, and a 50MP 3x periscope telephoto. For a foldable, these are seriously capable. Natural colors, solid low-light performance, and video up to 4K 120 frames per second. It doesn't fully beat dedicated bar phones, but it closes the gap big time and crushes most other foldables. Third, that 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery packed into such a slim body. Most thin foldables sacrifice endurance, but this one doesn't. Paired with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging, you get all-day heavy use plus fast top-ups. In my tests, it outlasted the competition in real battery drains. These 3, they make the Find N6 feel like the foldable that finally gets it right for everyday folks who want power without the usual compromises. Let's geek out on the specs properly. Design-wise, it's engineered smart. Unfolded, 159.9 by 145.6 by 4.21 millimeters. Folded, slimmer profile than you'd expect. The dual displays are both LTPO OLEDs with 120 Hz. Cover screen is 6.62 inches, bright up to 3,600 nits peak. Inner one hits 2480 by 2248 with excellent color and 1 nit minimum for night use. Eye comfort is dialed in with high PWM dimming. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a bit underclocked in some areas for thermals and efficiency. Up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. It runs ColorOS 16 on Android 16, smooth, feature-packed for multitasking on the big screen with solid AI tools. Cameras, Hasselblad Master System with that 200MP main, OIS, 50MP ultrawide, 50MP telephoto, plus helpers. Selfies via dual 20MP shooters. Ports, USB-C, great connectivity including 5G. Compared to the Find N5, they bumped the main camera massively, improved the hinge durability, and crammed in more battery without adding bulk. Versus Samsung's Z Fold 7, OPPO wins on crease visibility and battery. Samsung might edge on software ecosystem and US support. Pixel Fold, Google's AI is nicer in some ways, but hardware-wise the N6 feels more refined. The engineering decisions show they prioritized real usability over chasing the thinnest at all costs title. Alright, this is where it gets fun, actual daily use. I took this thing on a full day, morning emails and multitasking on the big screen, split view is buttery, afternoon photography session downtown, evening streaming and gaming. The inner display feels so natural for YouTube, Netflix, or browsing that I kept forgetting to close it sometimes. Battery? Hell yeah, with mixed 5G, brightness around 50%, and heavy use, socials, video, some light gaming. I ended the day with 30 to 40% left. That's impressive for a foldable. Charging from low to 50% in about 17 minutes with the 80W brick. Performance stays snappy even with a bunch of apps open. Heating? It warms up during long gaming sessions, but nothing crazy. The vapor chamber does its job. Durability feels solid thanks to the improved hinge and that self-healing glass vibe. Software is clean, though a few foldable-specific quirks pop up with certain apps not optimizing perfectly for the squarish inner ratio. Camera surprises. Daylight shots look vibrant and detailed with Hasselblad tuning. Zoom is useful. Ultra-wide handles landscapes well. Low light is strong, but not class-leading against pure camera phones. Video is stabilized nicely. One quirky moment. The camera bump can make it wobble a bit on a flat table, but that's minor. Overall, after a week, it just feels premium and reliable. This so close to perfection, line from the thumbnail? Spot on. It's astonishing how seamless it gets, but tiny things remind you it's still a foldable. Let's keep it real with the balanced list. Pros. That almost invisible crease changes the whole experience. Super slim and premium build that feels great in hand. Excellent battery life and blazing fast charging for a foldable. Strong Hasselblad cameras that punch above most foldables. Smooth multitasking and bright, vibrant displays. Cons. Not officially available in the US, so importing means warranty headaches and extra hassle. Price sits in that premium range, not cheap. Cameras are very good, but still trail dedicated flagship bar phones. In some scenarios, inner screen aspect ratio isn't perfect for every app. Snapdragon is solid, but slightly tuned down compared to non-foldables. No sugarcoating. These are the real trade-offs on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm giving the OPPO Find N6 a solid 9.2. It's that close. If you're a tech enthusiast who wants the most refined foldable experience right now, minimal crease, great cameras, killer battery, and you're okay importing or traveling to markets where it's available, go for it. The value feels strong for what it delivers. Skip it if you need easy US carrier support, full warranty, or the absolute best non-foldable camera. In that case, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Pixel 10 Pro Fold might be simpler picks stateside. Bottom line, OPPO crushed it with the Find N6. Foldables have come so far, and this one makes me genuinely excited about the future. If you're chasing that wow factor without the usual compromises, this is as good as it gets in early 2026. Yo, if this review helped you out or got you hyped about foldables, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Drop a comment. Would you import the Find N6, or are you waiting for US availability? Or tell me which foldable you're rocking right now. Links to specs, where to buy, if importing, and more in the description. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Appreciate you. Stay curious. Keep exploring tech that actually moves the needle, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.